So I was very lucky where I lived. There was a local amphitheatre, which Box Clever actually has performed at, called Sturt's Theatre. And they did really kind of, I want to say really good Amdram productions of like your classic musicals. And we would go and watch them as a family. And I think my mum knew I had the itch because I was always sat there like, oh, I want to be part of this. And I was a big attention seeker at the time, probably still am. And they took me along to the youth group there. And from the age of about 7 all the way up to the age of 18, I did these shows. And I learned so much about making theatre, but also about, you know, friendship. And I made all my like kind of friends there, people I'm still friends with now. And it taught me about what you can do as a team when you all get together and muck in. And I think that aspect of it really appealed to me. Yeah, I was. But I think when I became a teenager, a moody teenager, my interest in performing did wane slightly because I think I started to see it as uncool. And that's when I kind of started looking at music, and I got a drum set, and I'd spend hours and hours and hours just playing drums in my shed because I think I just thought it was really rock and roll. And for a solid like 4 years, I just wanted to be a rock star, and the sort of acting side of things started to kind of go into started to drift to the side a little bit. So I did want to do drama, but I also did philosophy and ethics, art, and English literature. I didn't know, but I knew I wanted to do something creative. And I knew it would either be writing, maybe performing, maybe music. I didn't know what. So at that stage, I just made the choice to be like, I'm going to choose the subjects I'm interested in and see where I go. It was. So I went to a few open days for universities, looking at like English courses. But then I went to an open day for a drama school, the one I ended up going to. And they had the acting musicianship course, and it kind of just blew my mind. Because I think for so long, I'd been thinking in boxes like, do I want to be a writer? Do I want to be an actor? Do I want to be a musician? And this course was basically just saying, we just want creative people who want to perform, want to make music. You can also write your own shows, devise your own shows. And I just thought, wow, like, you don't have to put these limits on things. You can just go in, play, bring whatever you want to the table. And for me, it seemed like this perfect amalgamation of all my skills and things I was interested in. I did. So I think there were 3 rounds, and I had to prepare a monologue. I had to play my instruments, and we had to do like a movement call where we were told to like move in certain ways and do a voice workshop. I was also told I needed to get my A-levels, which was fine. I can't remember the exact grades I needed to get, but I got them, and I got in. I was very happy about going out into the world and auditioning, but I was also very excited about keeping up the momentum me and my friends and my classmates created at drama school, and we went on to form a company. And I think the actor-musician ethos encourages you to be really collaborative and work with other people. So I was also keen to get acting work, go to auditions, but also make theatre with my friends. I would say if you've got a youth theatre group near you, definitely check it out. I would also say read as much as you can, watch films, and also don't see the performing arts in isolation to everything else. Enrich the rest of your life. Listen to good music, read good books, play your sports, because it's all, in some way, whether you know it or not, going to inform what you do as a performer. So I think keep that all up and live your life.